again Nidhi called me up. She was like, यार film ही बना लें क्या अपन? I was like, हाँ, मतलब if I compare my product designing and my filmmaking, I would say that filmmaking is better than this one. And this is something that I really enjoy. That ठीक है, मतलब we can give it a try. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? Fail हो जाएंगे ना, फिर product designing में आ जाएंगे.
Hello, Kia Vaswani. Thank you for being on the TSP podcast and welcome to the community. For the listeners, Kia is one of the most amazing human I have interacted with. We have never met, but we had conversation earlier regarding TSP itself, and she is an amazing human being. And I would like you, Kia, to introduce yourself to the audience, and over to you.
Thank you so much, Ayush. First of all, for having me on your platform. Like, I considered myself to be lucky.
Oh.
And dusra, regarding my introduction, so I am Kia. I am a documentary filmmaker and co-founder of Storyloom Films. I've been making films since 2013. Until now, we have made around 42 short films and one documentary called Reeds of Maheshwar, which won the National Award in 2016. And after that, we've been fortunate that we got featured in Forbes magazine, and we have also been a TEDx speaker. And since then, the journey is still going on.
Amazing. So that's what I was talking about. She is so modest and so kind. She finds herself lucky to be on the small platform now. She have been featured in so like good brands. So like coming to your story, let's we have so many questions about your journey, your profession, but let's start from the starting initial point. How did it all started? Where it all started, your journey?
So it all started. So I work with my friend and colleague Nidhi, and we were in college together in the same batch. And we both graduated as craft product designer from IICD, which is Indian Institute of Crafts and Design in Jaipur. And क्या होता है कि हमारा मतलब fourth year में you have this graduation project. And मेरा और निधि का हमेशा से ऐसा था that we wanted to explore other than products and like what's beyond that. And fortunately निधि मेरे कमरे में आई. निधि ने बोला कि यार एक बनारस का प्रोजेक्ट आया है and there's a textile historian named Rahul Jain, and वो कह रहे हैं that he wants us to make a documentary, so are you up for it? I was like, okay, give me a day, because हमने कभी documentary बनाई नहीं है. We just had an idea. like ठीक है एक बार give me a time to think. And next day I told her that ठीक है fine, let's go, let's do it. And हम दोनों को कुछ पता नहीं था डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकिंग के बारे में, बट ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब से पढ़ पढ़ के जितना समझ में आया. एंड एक चीज मेरी और निधि की अच्छी थी कि हमें अगर क्राफ्ट नहीं आता था, बट वी वर अवेयर कि हमें अगर फिल्म बनानी है तो किस टाइप की प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी चाहिए हमें. एंड वी डिसाइडेड दैट कि ठीक है, मतलब हमें ये पता है दैट हाउ वी वांट आवर फिल्म टू लुक लाइक, एंड लेट्स फाइंड आउट द प्रोसेस टू अचीव दैट. तो उसके लिए हमने यूट्यूब में पढ़ा. माय ब्रदर इज इनटू फिल्म मेकिंग, so I asked him, we took his help, and that's how the journey began. So our first film was Threads of Banaras, which was a 10-minute film. And after that, Nidhi and I, we both decided that this is something that we really like, because we both love traveling, we both like meeting people, khana pina, dunya ghumna, hame ye sab karna tha, and we found that perfect profession for that. And because we also like telling stories and sharing stories, so film was perfect medium. So it started in 2013, then professionally when we began to make documentaries.
Sounds amazing. So from being in an institute of a product design college to like moving towards the filmmaking journey, so how was your mindset, was like how you even took this step of taking it forward after your first video?
Mm-hmm. अगर देख, if I'm being very honest, ठीक है, when we were students and हमने फिल्म बना ली, सब कर लिया, everything went well, but उसके बाद भी मैंने और निधि ने ये डिसाइड नहीं किया था that this is something we are going to take up professionally, because we thought कि यार ठीक है, हमने बना लिया, फिल्म अच्छी बन गई, but यार हमें आता थोड़ी ना है. and we were pretty doubtful. तो 4 महीने मैंने और निधि ने कुछ नहीं किया, and then again निधि called me up. He's like कि यार फिल्म ही बना लें क्या अपन? I was like हाँ, मतलब if I compare my product designing and my filmmaking, I would say that filmmaking is better than this one, and this is something that I really enjoy. Then ठीक है, मतलब we can give it a try. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, fail हो जाएंगे ना, फिर product designing में आ जाएंगे. And we approached Ayush Kasliwal, who is a popular designer from Jaipur, and he also owns the store Anantaya. And we went up to him. We told him that, this is the idea, and we are going to make films on different crafts of India, because we have a background of 4 years, and we also have a new skill. So let us help you show how the product is being made. And हमें लगा कि यार आयुष हमारी बात सुन के शायद बस हाँ हाँ करके मना कर देंगे कि यार लड़कियों को आता जाता कुछ है नहीं. And when we told him the idea, he's like, अच्छा ठीक है, अगले दिन से आ जाओ. And मुझे निधि को विश्वास नहीं हुआ कि like, is he really saying कि आ जाओ? He's like कि हाँ ठीक है, try करके देखते हैं. So we've been lucky in that case कि हमको जो mentors मिले, even during our diploma project, someone like Rahul Jain and Ayush Kasliwal, who were ready to take on chances. And when we saw them, कि अच्छा ठीक है, when they have the attitude कि ठीक है ना, try करके देखते हैं. So this is how we started कि चल ठीक है, let's give it a try. And every time when we were making film, we kept ourselves informed about whatever we are doing. So bhale we have to watch the YouTube films, or we have to understand about the camera and everything, but yeah, like we kept updating ourselves while making film.
So was the first project, the Ayush Kasliwal's one, was it a pro bono or was it a paid project? Like how you took it?
It was a paid project. It was a paid project, definitely. But क्योंकि हमने पहली बार स्टार्ट किया था, तो डेफिनेटली जो पेमेंट था, दैट हमको भी इतनी चीजें नहीं पता थी, आयुष को भी नहीं पता थी. So I can say it was more of this project pushed us to be who we are today. तो फाइनेंशियली ठीक है, बट इफ आई टॉक इन टर्म्स ऑफ हमारी जो ग्रोथ है, जो लर्निंग है, एंड ऑल्सो आयुष बीइंग द काइंड ऑफ मेंटर, बिकॉज ही गेव अस ऑल द फ्रीडम टू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू. तो अगर जब आपको वो फ्रीडम मिलती है, एंड सिमिलरली विद राहुल जैन, आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन वी वेंट टू बनारस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, राहुल टोल्ड अस कि जाते ही फिल्म बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, फर्स्ट एंजॉय दैट प्लेस, हैव फन इन दैट प्लेस, एंड देन स्टार्ट मेकिंग द फिल्म. So वो जब हमें समझ में आया, when you actually understand what you're doing, your जो basic होता है, जो आपका base होता है, अगर वो आपको समझ में आता है, then you are able to explore more. So similarly, when the project happened with Ayush, Ayush gave us all the freedom कि तुम्हें जैसे समझ में आ रहा है, you make the film and then we'll see. And fortunately, it worked out.
So why I asked the question, the financial or the first project is always like, people have this mindset that when you are talking about names like Ayush Kasliwal, who have already set their benchmark in the industry, तो when चाहे कितना भी confidence आ जाए, कितना भी थोड़ा सा भी experience हो जाए, then we feel कि यार इनसे experience is more important, इनसे पैसे मांगना is not the right thing to do initially. Let's
absolutely.
So
absolutely, and this is how I think it should be. At least जब आप चीजें start कर रहे हो, where आपको भी पता है that what you're doing is something new and you are experimenting, so you should be open enough to take in as much knowledge as possible. मतलब पैसे हैं, definitely, if you have to survive, you have to earn money, and then you have to also set a benchmark for yourself. But सबसे पहले comes the knowledge, and then the finances will follow.
Right. Totally agree. So what happened next? Like after the first project, so the confidence built up and then you started your journey in it. What happened next? Like you started taking few new projects, or you thought of going back to your degree course and start with that?
नहीं, like we never thought of going back to the degree course. मुझे पता था कि this is something that I want to continue. And plus, for me also, it's more like working and learning rather than sitting in a classroom and learning. Right. Because I've done that, for 4 years, and now like I want to be on field. And regarding going ahead professionally, so हमने जैसे आयुष के लिए first we made around 10 short films. And fortunately, when we started making films on crafts of India, Nidhi and I, we were the pioneer of that subject, because उससे पहले किसी ने भी high production quality film बनाई ही नहीं थी. And even before starting in this profession, Nidhi and I, we did our research कि और कैसी फिल्म है. So all what we saw was like a DD National sad film that nobody wants to watch. So जब हमने high production quality film बनानी चालू की, we had the base, then we started approaching different clients. And initially क्या होता है कि आपके पास, obviously because you're not so famous, it's you who have to reach out and it's you who have to ask for the service that you're providing. So we wrote to many clients, and one of the next client was Good Earth, which is again another big brand in terms of crafts and textile. And they liked our idea. We worked with them, and then gradually, you know, like our journey began. So with every film and every client, it just kept going higher and higher. But yes, like you have to work a lot. Like you have to keep writing to people. 100 लोगों को लिखोगे तो 2 लोगों का reply आएगा.
Right. So have you, I'm sure 100 का message किया and 2 ने reply किया. You have faced so many rejections. How you took it initially? Because being a freelancer myself, मैंने जब start किया था, rejection kind of killed me कि मैं वापस like let's do a job या कुछ और कर लेता हूँ. How you took it, the rejection initially?
Again, being very honest, बुरा तो लगता है because you are new. आप college से निकले हो, चीजें start कर रहे हो, and you know that you have got everything that is required, but people are not able to recognize it. So definitely it was heartbreaking, and financially we struggled tha. But here for us, the plus point was that both of our families were very supportive. They said कि तुम्हें जो करना है करो, we are going to support you emotionally and financially जब तक तुम खड़े नहीं हो जाते. So because हमारे पास वो इतना strong support था, मतलब हम रोना गाना भी करते थे. कितनी बार मैं और निधि रोए कि अरे ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. But because इतना strong support था, तो that kept us going on. Like our family kept pushing it कि कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. So when you have a strong support system to fall back, and कि मतलब कोई है आपके पीछे आपका ध्यान रखने के लिए, so you can take a chance. So that really helped us. But yes, emotionally it does become traumatizing, but then if you have your friends and family, you are able to cope up with that.
Right. So like a sandbox thing. If you fall from the swing, there is a sandbox. Right.
हाँ, बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है.
Makes sense. So while building when the journey started, or when you have taken few projects, when you are into the filmmaking, was it conscious के story looms को ऐसा ही काम करना है और इस level पे पहुंचाना है, या it was throughout the process you figured out?
दोनों चीजें थी, I would say, because we were aware that the kind of production quality that we are looking for in the film, and what you can say is तब जैसे Netflix नहीं था, but अभी जो Netflix में what you see, the kind of documentaries that you see, the production quality, when we started we aimed up to that कि यार मतलब अगर करना है तो अच्छा काम करना है, नहीं तो नहीं करना है. And also what we have seen is that generally in India, when it comes to documentary, people are unfortunately visually चीजें बहुत appealing नहीं होती है, if you're able to see. And yeah, so we decided that this is what we want to do, that whatever film we are going to make, it has to be like a really high production quality film, and it has to win Oscars. हमने मतलब अपने दिमाग में रखा था कि इतना ही करना है क्या, Oscar जीतना है. तो ये था. And दूसरी जब when you're not from filmmaking background, a lot of learning comes on the way, like when you're on the field, when you go back, when you review your film. So when I go back and look what we made for Ayush Kasliwal and what we have made now, there is a huge difference in terms of storytelling, even visually. Color correction, मतलब हमारी फिल्म ऑरेंज कलर की है यार, आयुष कास्तीवाल की. Now when I look back, I was like, shit यार, ये इतना color correction आपने क्यों किया? So on the way, and also when you meet people, when you show them their film, you get a lot of feedbacks also. So you have to keep working. कि जो important है, you take that, and जो नहीं है, you just discard it.
Yeah. So were there a constant pressure now as well when you are saying कि आपने एक mindset clear कर लिया था कि मुझे we want to have that Oscar level production quality. So is there a constant pressure on the creativity side of filmmaking के वैसा अचीव करना है तो probably नहीं हुआ तो एक होता है ना creative block आ जाता है या there are a lot of things goes when you set a benchmark for yourself. So
हाँ,
it comes.
मतलब एक तरफ से कह सकते it's not a pressure that आपको करना है, but it's more of an awareness. Because see क्या होता है कि with films and even with everything, ठीक है, it keeps evolving, है ना? In terms of filmmaking, the storytelling keeps evolving. And if you watch the documentaries, how it used to be made, and now when you see what Netflix is producing, so because of Netflix, you are able to see that, you know, documentaries have become entertaining. You want to watch those documentaries. Right. And this is what you call evolution. So with every time, with every film, you have to be aware that you have to keep evolving. So जो मैंने 10 साल पहले मैंने स्टोरी टेलिंग का तरीका अपनाया था, अब शायद मैं नहीं अपनाऊंगी, because I'm aware that, you know, people are changing, audience are changing. Right. So more than a pressure, as I said, that it's awareness. And if you want to keep yourself, you know, updated and with the generation, with the changes that has been happening. Otherwise जो हम craft film बनाते हैं ना कि अच्छा ये craft time के साथ change नहीं हुआ तो it dies out. And it applies to every profession that you're doing, that if you don't evolve yourself, eventually it will die out.
Fair enough. And talking about the craft industry, like filmmaking and craft, filmmaking, when people start with filmmaking, the majority of people with whom I have seen, they have chosen the lavish side of filmmaking, like the media industry or koi advertising mein hai, koi movie making mein, they are building their career in that. What made you actually choose the art and craft? What made you incline toward it, which is a very slow growing industry? क्योंकि वो एक it was a niche for you, I understand that कि आपका college time से you were in it and it was a niche you have chosen, but what made you go ahead with it after you have understood the idea of filmmaking? What made you go ahead with it and how you're sticking with it?
So when we made like our first few films with Ayush and other clients, one, we were able to recognize our own work कि हाँ मतलब इससे पहले ऐसा actually कभी काम हुआ नहीं है, and we are creating something new and also something groundbreaking, because इससे पहले craft पे किसी ने films बनाई ही नहीं. And because we have our knowledge, like of 4 years we have studied craft, and the way we are able to understand, you know, as filmmakers and as product designers जो story है, for us being a designer was a plus point. So you have two skills and we are able to combine two skills. उसकी वजह से we were able to see the changes. अब जब हमने फिल्म बनानी चालू की, हमने लोगों को फिल्म दिखाई, and our idea was कि हम craft पे फिल्म इसलिए बनाना चाहते हैं ताकि लोगों को उसकी value समझ में आए, that, you know, like a craft product is just not a product, but it's about actually people. It's about community. It's about the culture. India mein it's actually a very strong culture. है ना? After agriculture, it is the second largest occupation. So we need to tell story about the people who are creating that craft, to bring awareness, ताकि लोग अगर exhibition में जा रहे हैं, so they don't bargain because now they know, they are aware कि अच्छा कितनी मेहनत लगती है. And we started seeing those changes in people. मैंने अपने घर में देखा कि जब मैंने मम्मा को देखा, she's like, अरे यार मैं फालतू इतना bargain करती हूँ. तो जब हमें लोगों के positive response आ रहे थे regarding the films visually, regarding the knowledge, the awareness, everything, that what kept us going on. And with each client, you know, we moved like a step higher in terms of everything, in terms of people and films and clients. So that kept us going on, I would say. And finally, jab ye hua ki, you know, after working so hard, jab we won the national award, I remember I was crying. Finally, our hard work actually paid off. It was recognized.
Totally, I can't understand it, but I can totally feel it, how you might have felt winning a national award and featuring in.
Yeah, more than the national award, it's like, you know, when your work is recognized on a larger platform. Let's look at it from that perspective. It's the same feeling.
Right. So tell me more about your, like, talking about the Story Looms as a brand, so as I remember, it is you and Nidhi who are handling it
Nidhi,
overall,
right?
right? So
Hmm.
how you manage to handle it on your own without any external support or having a huge team and still setting a benchmark for the industry?
Mm. So when Nidhi and I started, maybe up to I would say 2019, tak, it was
Mhm.
just two of us, like a team of two women who are traveling across the country making documentary films. अब इसको independent documentary filmmaker नहीं कह सकते, but maybe like you can call it a duo,
Yeah,
independent duo document. So we were doing everything from scripting to shooting to cinematography, editing, सारा काम. And उस बीच में देख जब दो लोग हैंडल कर, और जनरली क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू वर्क विद द प्रोडक्शन हाउस, you know, it's a team of large number of people.
yeah.
You have editor अलग होते हैं, cinematographer अलग होते हैं, आपके finances manage करने वाले अलग होते हैं. But initially और अभी भी, being very honest, we are still struggling financially. हमारे पास जो लोग हैं on board, there are very few, 2 people on board, क्योंकि हम उनका ही खर्चा निकाल सकते हैं 10 सालों में. तो इनिशियली हम सारा काम कर रहे थे, मैं और निधि, मतलब फिल्म भी बनाना है, आपको अपने फाइनेंसेस भी देखने हैं, जो कि इमोशनली भी बहुत ड्रेनिंग होता है, फिजिकली, मेंटली, बिकॉज यू आर हैंडलिंग 10 से 12 लोगों का काम सिर्फ 2 लोग कर रहे हैं. So it's
Hmm.
actually very tiring, and it has its own struggle. And plus you also have to deal with clients who doesn't want to pay, and you also have to maintain the relationship. So बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं. And it is now, you know, like after 6 years, I would say, we have started collaborating with different cinematographers
Okay.
and having few support system on board, which helps us with the finances or the production manager. But it's a struggle, I'm gonna say.
Mhm. So during the journey, a core trait that actually got you this far, like probably handling the multitasking things and stuff like that, like doing all things on your own makes you a multitasker. So a core trait which actually pushed you and got you this far, which might help others as well to develop.
Core trait, ये थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. um One I'm gonna say is definitely because it was two of us together. When you're working alone, तब क्या होता है कि आपकी struggle सिर्फ आपकी रहती है, and when you're working with someone, you share your struggle, and comparatively it becomes easier for you. You know, I remember जब हम दोनों का कभी मेरा moral breakdown होता था, कभी निधि का अगर emotional breakdown हो रहा है, so we kept supporting each other कि यार कोई बात नहीं. कई बार ऐसा हुआ कि you know client के साथ अच्छे से काम नहीं हुआ या पैसे नहीं मिले, so we kept supporting each other कि यार कोई बात नहीं, चीजें हो जाएंगी, you know, we are going to find out a way. And हम जितने तरीके की हेल्प ले सकते थे, मेरी जो स्किल सेट है, निधि की जो स्किल सेट है, उसकी वजह से. सो आई वुड से दैट, and especially if you're a people's person like Nidhi and I, we are very social. And especially I know that for sure, abhi corona ke time pe when I had to sit with myself working all alone in the house, it was a struggle for me. So मतलब मेरा गिव अप होके I went out to this curious cafe. मैंने, मुझे लोग चाहिए काम करने के लिए. So if you're able to understand yourself, what kind of a person you are, if you're a people person, then find out, you know, people who would help you in the journey. So one is that, and definitely what you mentioned, that when you're able to do, when you know everything about your work. अब फिल्म मेकिंग में हमें सिर्फ डायरेक्शन ना पता हो गया, हमें सिनेमेटोग्राफी पता थी, एडिटिंग पता है, स्क्रिप्टिंग पता है, कलर करेक्शन, म्यूजिक, एवरीथिंग. So when you have all the skills that you need, then you're not dependent on people. कभी ऐसा हुआ कि कोई नहीं मिला, so you know that you can do it. So that helps you a lot, like thoroughly understanding your profession, your basic, and understanding yourself as a person, as a human being.
And talking about, like as you said कि you are a duo, but अगर जो अकेला भी काम करता है, but I feel it is not always like that. You have people, you can reach out to anyone out there, and
Definitely.
people are ready to help. So let's
हाँ.
talk, let how you reached out to people and collaborated with them. Is it a task to reaching out to people and asking them to collaborate on your work? Let's break that stereotype as well. How you did it.
Sure. So yes, it's a task. It's a lot of effort, lot of energy, क्योंकि आप इतने लोगों को लिखना है, उनसे बात करना है, definitely लगता है. इनिशियली क्या होता था कि मैं और निधि किसी को लिखते नहीं थे, हमें लगता था कि यार क्या है, पता नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे कि नहीं, मना कर देंगे ये को. एंड जब हमारी जो पहली फिल्म थी विच वाज इन कॉलेज, थ्रेड्स ऑफ बनारस, कॉलेज खत्म होने के बाद वी डिसाइडेड दैट यू नो वी आर गोइंग टू सेंड इट फॉर अ फिल्म फेस्टिवल, फिल्म कंपटीशन, एंड वी वांटेड टू मेक दैट फिल्म अ 10-minute फिल्म. दैट वाज द मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट. एंड हम दोनों को फिल्म मेकिंग नहीं आती है, किसी हम डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर को जानते भी नहीं है, बिकॉज वी आर प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर्स. And when we were going through, you know, different kind of different films, we came across this brilliant, amazing activist documentary filmmaker called Jason Taylor. And also another brand called Black Ticket Films. Rintu and Sushmit are the co-founders. अब हमने 10-12 लोगों को या कम से कम आई थिंक 50 लोगों को लिखा होगा for the help that you know hey we are new people. तो सबसे पहले टू ब्रेक दैट बैरियर कि अच्छा लोगों का रिप्लाई नहीं आएगा, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, मतलब वो आपको हटाना पड़ेगा. मतलब क्या है यार, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग रिप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, बोलेंगे तुमने बुरी फिल्म बनाई है, दैट्स दैट ना, उससे ज्यादा बुरा क्या होगा. पर जब तक आप चीजें ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो आपको मतलब रिस्पॉन्ड मिलेगा नहीं. तो अगर हम लोग शायद अगर लोगों को ईमेल्स लिखते नहीं तो वी वुडंट हैव बीन डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर्स, बिकॉज हमने 50 लोगों को लिखा एंड Sushmit and Rintu and Jason replied, and they were the people who actually shared that skill. मुझे याद है बाकी लोगों को हमने लिखा था, उन्होंने बोला था you know this is our skill and we cannot share and this is you know our magic. But Jason and Rintu and Sushmit were open. They told us everything that they could, and this was something that we learned from them. कि अच्छा आपकी जो skill है you need to share it with people. तो सबसे पहले मतलब ये बैरियर ब्रेक करना, and you have to reach out to people. और अगर आपको काम चाहिए so you have to ask. That's the basic funda. जब आप पूछोगे नहीं, अपने आप आपके पास चीजें चल के नहीं आएंगी. So yes, reach out to people as much as you can and be honest and be authentic. That's what I can say. And be humble as much as possible. That would take you far.
Yeah. So I read a quote of Gary Vaynerchuk. It says, be humble, be kind whenever possible. And it is always possible. And being empathetic takes you places where you can't even imagine yourself being. It introduces
Absolutely.
many options for you.
That's true. That's true. You know, just because we found these two people who were so open, ऐसा होता है ना कि फिर आपकी चलो, और उस टाइम हम बच्चे थे यार, हम कॉलेज में थे, तो हमारी थोड़ी सी उम्मीद जागी कि हाँ यार अगर ये लोग रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकते तो और भी लोग कर सकते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ वी केम अक्रॉस दीज अमेजिंग पीपल यार. भले ही कई बार ये होता है कि इवन इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू कोलैबोरेट प्रोफेशनली, बट इफ यू आर एबल टू नो दैट person personally, that also really helps you out. कितने हमारे ऐसे लोग हैं who has become friends just because we reached out to them.
Oh.
Yeah.